China EV Post reports Yangwang, BYD's premium brand, unveiled the U8 Off-Road Master Edition and introduced the U7 sedan. The U8 Off-Road Master Edition, enhancing off-road capabilities, starts at $151,510. It features 4 electric motors with over 1,000 horsepower and a unique thermal management system for off-roading. The model, equipped with a drone for better environmental awareness, boasts a wading depth increase to about 4.6 feet. Deliveries for the U8 Premium Edition began in November 2023, with over 5,523 units delivered by March's end. The U7 sedan, set to launch in the second half of the year, aims at the ultra-luxury market with a price around $151,510. It's the first to include BYD's DiSus-Z intelligent body control system, promising maglev-like ride comfort. The U7 features 1,300 horsepower, accelerates from 0 to 62 miles per hour in 2.9 seconds, and has a top speed of 167 miles per hour. It also sets a record with the world's lowest drag coefficient at high speeds and comes loaded with advanced driving assistance systems. You are listening to Yuan News.